Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping back for another video, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a closet declutter. I have never done one of these on my channel before, so I'm so excited to finally be getting one up for you guys. I will be teaming up with POSHMARK for this video. If you guys do not know what POSHMARK is, it is an app that you can get on your phone where you can sell your clothing, accessories, makeup, bags, anything that you can imagine you can sell on there and make some extra money on the side. There will be a link in the description box down below so that you guys can download the POSHMARK app if you guys don't already have it. Make sure to let me know your username in the comments down below so that I can go check it out and follow you guys, and also everyone that's watching this video can also go check out your closet as well. I will also leave my closet handle in the description box down below so you guys can go check it out and see what I have in my closet, because I will be listing a ton of new stuff once I finish this closet declutter. POSHMARK does have a bunch of high-end brands like Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton. They have Adidas and Nike for half the price of retail, which is absolutely amazing. But if you guys have not been following me for a while, then you probably wouldn't know. I've been in my house now for about 7 or 8 months now, and when I first moved in, I just kind of threw everything in my walk-in closet because I didn't have a walk-in closet before. I didn't do much organizing or anything like that, so I do need to do some organizing and decluttering. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this closet declutter started. Alright, so this is currently my closet situation. As you can see, it's pretty cluttered and the shoe boxes on the top are not organized whatsoever. There's a lot of hangers sticking out. Down here, I definitely need to go through some of those sweaters, get rid of some, and then go through my pants as well because I do have a few that do not fit me. My shoe area is pretty bad, as you can see. There is absolutely no organization whatsoever over here. It's kind of just a hot mess. And then over here too, there's just kind of shoes all over the ground here, and then this area right here is a little rough too. I need to go through these and get rid of some of these cardigans. And then right up here, I also need to declutter and get rid of some stuff as well. As you can see, there's just really no organization to this area. I do also need to go through this area of my closet as well. All of these bags will stay just because I use them pretty much all the time. I do need to go through this little shoe holder on the back and get rid of some stuff, put some more shoes in here as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is grab some trash bags so I can put all of my unwanted clothes in them. So what I'm doing here is I'm just grabbing all of my tops to start out with. I have all of my shirts color-coded, which you guys saw at the beginning, right before this. So it was a little bit easy for me to go through each of the colors. So I'm physically picking every one of them up, touching them, going through them, asking myself if I have worn them in the past year. If I have not, I put them in the bag. There was definitely a few that I hadn't worn in the past year, but I knew that I didn't want to get rid of. Obviously, the more that I go through my closet, the more that I'm going to get rid of and realize that I really don't need it in my closet. So I think it is good to go through your closet every single month to kind of just get rid of things. As you can see, I do have a lot of shirts. Like, I could literally wear a different shirt every single day of the year, which is pretty crazy. I would love to live more of a minimalistic life, but realistically, I am so in love with fashion and every single aspect of it that I don't think I will ever have like a 40-piece closet. That's just not my lifestyle, nor do I want it to be. And I hope that you guys can understand that. I'm sure some of you guys can relate to that, but I do definitely like to declutter and kind of clean up my closet space. So I am going to try on this flannel, as you can see, because I was unsure if I wanted to keep it or not, but I decided that I did really like it. So once I kind of go through everything, I'm actually going and hanging everything back up in my closet but I am organizing it from long sleeves. As you can see, all the flannels are in the back. I put all the sweaters together, and then I'll go to short sleeves and then more of the dressier shirts at the very front. So I'm just kind of organizing things a little bit better so I can find things a bit easier. Now we're moving on to the sweatshirts and hoodies side of my closet. So I did go through all of these, and being completely real with y'all, I wear all of this stuff pretty frequently. I wear a sweatshirt pretty much every single night. I come home from work and put on my PJs, and I'm always in some kind of sweatshirt or hoodie. But I did give up my beloved Sherpa jacket from Pink, as you can see here. This will be listed on my Poshmark. I spent a lot of money on that thing, and a lot of people love those jackets from Victoria's Secret, but it was just an impulse buy. I didn't need it in my life anymore, so if you guys would like to check it out, it is on my Poshmark, along with this amazing fuzzy robe from Victoria's Secret as well that I just put in the bag. Now I am moving on to my cardigans, which was a hot mess, you guys. As you can see, I have multiple cardigans per hanger, which I did kind of separate a few of them so there was only like 2 or 3 max on a hanger. I just do this so that I can save a little bit of space and so it's not so bulky and overwhelming. Now I'm going to move on to my shoe boxes. So I'm just going to try to organize these a little bit better. The side that I'm working on right now is more of my winter shoes. So I have all of my booties and my boots. I do have my UGG boots in the right-hand corner that I'm taking right now. And then I'm just going to get rid of some shoes as well. As you can see, I'm selling a pair of my UGG boots. I took a brand new pair of boots from Target that I literally have never worn, you guys. They have stayed in the box, never been worn since I bought them. Probably a year and a half ago, which is just absolutely ridiculous. So I'm getting rid of those finally and just organizing things so it looks a little bit better than it did before. So that is pretty much it for my closet declutter. As you can see in this clip, I did get 2 trash bags full of stuff that I will be donating and selling as well. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, I told you I was selling both of these items from Victoria's Secret Pink. I'm selling this amazing robe, and I'm also selling this Sherpa zip-up jacket as well that everyone's obsessed with. So like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure to check the description box down below for a link to download Poshmark if you don't already have it. When you do get your Poshmark and set up a closet, make sure to let me know in the comments down below what your username is so I can check out your closet and follow you. Of course, my link will be down below as well for my closet, so you can come check out what I have to sell. So this is the after of my closet. I still have a lot of clothes, I know you guys, but it does definitely look a lot more organized, and there's not hangers everywhere, and the shoe boxes are so much more organized than they were before, along with my shoes as well. I did not show any part of me going through my shoes or organizing them just because I didn't want this video to be too long, but I did get rid of some shoes, and I think that area looks so much better. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye. Stay marvelous.